To be kept up to date, make sure that you hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel. If you enjoy the podcast video, make sure that you hit the like button on our YouTube channel. So let's begin. So this is another quick 5 minutes with regards to Zoom and the Zoom US website. Well, what Zoom has actually done is in the past, I would say a month or so, I can only imagine that they are cornering the market with regards to podcasting, with regards to screen sharing and conferencing. They are superior by all lack of better words, but with regards to the softwares that we use a combination of different softwares, but Zoom is by far the most popular at the moment because it seems to spread like wildfire. And the reason why is that Zoom is a tool that pretty much allows you to make conference calls, collaborate with teams, do screen sharing, and pretty much just work on audio alone if needs be. So if you've got team members that don't have webcams, if they are, say, lack of a better word, don't have a computer, they can use the mobile phone, they can use different devices to just hook in, plumb in, and just use it as a conferencing tool. It's made specifically for all types of devices, regardless of whether it's video or audio, but it all depends on how you want to share the information. And I think as a free tool, that Zoom pretty much covers all of it. So here's the basic analysis of how Zoom actually works. Within this 3 minutes that's actually left within this video, it's just sort of well worth looking at how it is able to function as just the basic tools. So with regards to the Zoom, because this is a podcast and there's no screen sharing, that what I need to do is more describe to you what the facilities are for you. So you can do video, and that's literally video without audio, so you can have the audio or the video turned off, but the whole point is that you've got to have a host. That means that somebody has actually got to routinely open up a Zoom account. So you go to zoom.us, and then within that, you say are the host. You can invite other people to come along, and the only way that you'll be able to do that is through a link that's generated by Zoom themselves. So you create yourself a free sign up. So you go to Zoom US, create a free sign up, you'll have an email address, you'll get it confirmed, and then what will happen is you'll be given an account, almost like a standard email account. And then what will happen within the Zoom account is that once you're actually logged in and given that information, you are invited to install the software. And then at the same time, you're invited to not just install the software on your local machine, but to kick off the tools or the arsenal that it's actually got. And the main arsenals at this present date is the ability to actually do a conference call, so you can actually do video conferencing, or you can actually do a non-video conferencing, so you can just literally share a specific screen that no one else can see apart from the people who've been invited. Then you can do a video to video, so directly have a conversation with a group of people, as you may have seen in a lot of examples in the past, specifically focused to Zoom. And that's where Zoom has cornered the market. Is people obviously want to see each other's faces, but the premise behind it is that you should be able to then also do collaborative work. Now, with regards to it being a free software, there's obviously limitations within what it can and can't do that will need an upgrade. But the premise behind it is that, number one, you can do video face-to-face with collaborative teams. You can screen share your desktop, so you can actually share it with several other people through a web link that Zoom generates. And then as soon as people receive that web link, whether on a mobile phone, an email or whatnot, it just allows them to download the software on their end and then immediately join the conference almost straight away. And that's it. What it does is collaborative work through a media, regardless of whether it's a computer or a mobile phone. But to wind this up is that Zoom has done an excellent job in cornering the market and making this facility available for all. That being said, that's pretty much bringing this to the end, and thanks for listening.